And who's this?
Taiyo.
Taiyo. Okay.
I'm actually impressed with how good he's being.
He's doing good.
Yeah.
He's a new baby learning the new ropes.
Yeah, he's going to be my therapy dog, so he's got to learn how to behave when we're in here, since I can't put him in a kennel. This one's much more balanced. Well, he already seems to have pretty good head control.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
And this is a week early.
Yeah.
Week to week
Yeah.
and a half early puppy. That's just
Yeah.
funny.
5 days early.
Huh?
5 days.
I thought it was a week and a half
She
between
was
them.
due on the 5th. She had him on the 30th.
So there was only a week between them then. I thought it was a week and a half. Okay.
Yeah, that's your favorite.
Still 5 days early and very well developed. That's good.
It's okay. Yeah, he's
Nature knows best.
There
Hi, handsome boy.
we go. Good job. Good job. Yeah, so for him, just a little bit of rotation in his atlas, and then he was a little bit stuck in his pelvis. So just that's very typical. Yeah, or very uneventful. Typical